Looks like we're having a girl. I'm Mo.
And I'm Co.
We bought our first house together as newlyweds.
It's a fixer-upper.
Big time. Muscle.
Everything needs to be redone.
From the foundation to the roof.
And we invite you to join us through the entire renovation process.
This is the site now.
From the beginning all the way to the end.
Now they have started their journey making this house their masterpiece. This is all new framing. This is all fresh wood. Mo, what y'all doing, man?
This is Mo & Co. Reno.
Plumbing is in process, but it's moving extremely slow.
We're going to vent it there, and then we'll drill this, and we'll drill the joist.
Because it's an open concept with high doorways and everything is open, there's a few walls that they can come down, and the ceilings, you know, you can't cut through all the new structure and the beams that they've put in, so they're having a difficult time figuring it out, and we have to get things underway for an inspection.
That's going to be tricky.
The structural work is moving. We're getting framing done.
Loco.
That is wood.
Yes.
It's going to be a floor, and underneath that floor would be our theater. They're putting a AV closet for all the theater equipment. The big area that was existing is now getting framed so that my office has separation. On the other side will be an additional bedroom, which was a loft before. Also, they're creating a new bathroom, which is going to be adjacent my office.
And then 18 from there. This other way.
So it's exciting to see these things coming together. So now it's time to move on to electrical. We had a few people come out and give us some quotes, and the winner was Co Power Incorporated.
We are finding the level for the switches and receptacles.
He's putting lines around the house to measure where the height of the switches will be, the height of the outlets, and now he's putting in the receptacles, drilling the holes for the wires that he's going to connect to the lights and the outlets and so forth. Took a while for us to kind of plan and figure out where all the switches were and how many places they were going to be controlled from. So a lot of respect to electricians, because there's like wires everywhere, and I don't understand how they know where one is going to another. The funny thing is he's only been here for 2 or 3 days and is further along than the plumbing. So unfortunately I had to get serious with the plumber and give him a call and give him an ultimatum. We got to get this thing done. We got to get an inspection. So he came and he started working on, but it's still moving too slow for our needs. So all this construction is going on, and we have plans and everything, and we're waiting to submit to the city for our new additions that we want. We already got a building permit and plumbing and electrical for the remodeling, but we want to do some things to the exterior, and we need to have a structural engineer. The original structural engineer that we had come by to give us a consultation, he is no longer available. He's busy, but we need him. So we had to do some research and talk to a couple other structural engineers, And we finally got one. So we got Cal Civic Engineering, and Ivan is our man. He sent his project engineer out, Chung. So we're walking around and we're looking at the different areas of the house and the areas that need attention and drawings made so that we can submit these plans to the city.
If you'd like to stay updated, subscribe to us on YouTube.